Welcome back to my channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET. I am Dr. Lakshmi Subramaniam with a PhD in chemistry. Today I have come up with an excellent trick to calculate coagulation value. So I am sure that you all will find this trick really simple and easy, especially the 12th standard children who are going for board exams as well as NEET aspirants. Both will find this trick very simple and easy. So before moving on to our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Now first of all, we will see what is meant by colloidal solution. See, whichever solution in the particles are of the size 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer, we call it colloidal solution. So the particle size ranges between 1 nm to 1000 nm. So these are colloidal solution. See, in a colloidal solution, you can see the positive charges or the molecules they are far away from each other. So because of that, you can see these are all like charges. So they will repel with each other and they mix with solution. So what happens is that suppose you are adding an electrolyte. See, the electrolyte will be of the form AB, where A is the positive ion and B is the negative ion. So what happens is that these negative ions will move towards here and occupies the occupies the positive places. So what will happen is that when you get the precipitate the precipitate is of the form plus minus. So now the molecules are arranged close together. So what happens is that negative charge ions move towards positive ions and then they occupy the spaces. So because of that, the charge now becomes neutral. So only after this process happens, the molecules arranges close together forming a precipitate. So now we can see that from colloidal solution, from here we get a precipitate. So this process is what we call coagulation or flocculation. Hope it is clear with you what is meant by coagulation. I have explained this with the diagram so that you all find this very easy. So now you see that we are adding some amount of electrolyte here to change 1 liter or 1000 ml of colloidal solution to precipitate. So what we are doing, we are adding some amount of electrolyte like to change 1 liter or 1000 ml of colloidal solution to precipitate. So this is called what is known as coagulation. So coagulation and flocculation are both same. Now I'll tell you one small trick to calculate the flocculation value. So flocculation value is expressed in terms of millimoles per liter. Always remember, it should be always, the unit should be always in millimoles. Okay, so millimoles per liter. So I'll give you one sum here. So here mostly such types of sums comes for the NEET exam. So if you remember this, you will be able to do it in very few seconds. So for coagulation of 100 ml of arsenous sulfide, 50 that is arsenous sulfide sol, 5 ml of 1 mole NaCl is needed. So you have to find the flocculation value of NaCl. So here there is a simple formula. So what all details are given in the question here? We are having molarity, then the liter, that is molarity is m, that is 1m, n is the number of moles and v is the volume. So the formula you have to remember is that m is equal to n divided by v into 1000. So always remember. So we can see that it is 1m. So the value of m is 1. So you put 1 is equal to, you have to find out n from here. N is the number of moles. Now volume is 5. 5 you have to substitute into 1000. So we get like n is equal to 5 divided by 1000. That is, we can put it as 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole. So you can convert that into millimole by multiplying it with 1000 or 10 raised to 3. So what you get? So here you get 5 millimole of electrolyte. So we need 5 millimole of electrolyte. For 100 ml we need 5. Now they are asking for 1 liter how much we need. So per liter how much we need, that is what we have to find out. Now it's very simple, you just need to cross multiply, that is 5 into 1000 divided by 100, that is equal to, these two zeros and zeros get cancelled, so 5 into 10, 50. So flocculation number is 50. So such sums normally comes for the NEET exam. So just remember this formula. Always after writing the formula, the first thing you have to do is, whatever details are given in the question, m is given, just look, that is 1m. Then what else is given? N, it's not given. We have to find our number of moles, we have to calculate. V, we have it in the question. Okay, V is 5 milliliter, that is given in the question. So with this values, you first find out N. Then after that, you are asking for 1 liter. So that is why we take that in milliliter. So they are asking for how much this is needed for 1 liter. So for 100 milliliter, we found out that 5 is needed. That is 5. Always remember, millimole of electrolyte is needed. So for 1 liter or 1000 milliliter, how much electrolyte is needed, that is what is known as flocculation number, which is 50. Hope you found this trick really useful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming back with another simple trick for all of you shortly. Until then, thanks for watching.